Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this week we are going to unbox the Majorette premiums. So let me start with this one. Okay, so this is the Chevy Corvette C6R. So I personally love Majorettes. So there are some things which I saw recently. They released new main lines with this specific logo. So I can see the headlights are painted on this one. I'm yet to get those in my hands, but someone actually posted a sale on Facebook group, one of the Facebook group. So I was really disappointed to see that, but the price remains the same if I'm not wrong. So I will be doing some unboxing videos on those once I get my hands on it. But as of now, I got this premiums and this looks really awesome. So I bought the entire set. I hope you guys saw the shots. So here is the Porsche 550 Spider. This looks really small and cute. Okay. So here is the Ford GT40 MK1. I did unbox this particular casting by a different brand. I mean, I don't even remember the brand name now. I think it is GT Racing or something. It is a very small casting. I think 1 is to 80 or 1 is to 70. So this is similar casting which I did. That looks really nice. And here is the Chevy Camaro. That looks really awesome. So this is one of my personal favorite in this particular set. So the BMW 3.0 CSL. It looks really awesome. I'm really excited to unbox this entire set. So last but not least, this one, the Honda NSX RGT. Looks really nice. I mean, I think Mini GTR Pop Race is actually coming up with this specific casting. So it looked similar to this. I don't know why anyone would pay like around 800 or even 1000 rupees more than this one to get this similar casting with maybe similar amount of detailing. Okay, so with that said, I will be unboxing this entire set for this week, guys. Again, I bought all this castings for 899, which is the MRP. You can see here, 899. So yeah, so these are still available. This is the new set which actually came. There was one more set before this, if I'm not wrong. Unfortunately I was not able to get that. So you can just check any Hamleys or any of those kind of stores. You will get this entire set. So thanks for watching this video, guys. Have a great day. Goodbye.